guys, this is Paul Michael. We're talking neuroperformance, and hopefully you guys have tuned in and watched the videos that I've done that talk about the theory behind all the different parts of the brain. I did a little video on frontal lobe and we talked about cerebellum, and there's some stuff about the autonomic nervous system and breathing and so on. And all that theory really needs to be put together into practical, of course. There's no point just knowing it, we've got to do it. And if you're an athlete or a coach or a strength and conditioning person or whoever you are, you really need to start taking into account what parts of the brain do what, and then you can start becoming more creative with how you can interact neurological stuff with physical stuff with your training. That's really going to be that 10% difference that you're doing from the rest of the 90% that everyone else is doing the same, which means that you're getting the advantage. Okay, we're looking for 1% here and there. So if we can sharpen up eye movements, sharpen up reaction time, sharpen up our ability to feel exactly where we are and our position in space and our vestibular and cerebellum components, then when we take that part, when we take all those parts and put it back to performance, we should see a much better outcome. Well, that's the idea. So I hope you enjoy these videos. This is a cognitive and physical type of an exercise where the emphasis is actually on the cognitive part. Of course, we can train speed and we can train power, we can train cardiovascular endurance in a separate way. But when we're doing this exercise, the emphasis is on the neurological component. But we want to have a physical background to it, so that we're not just sitting there doing a two-dimensional thing on a screen, and it's becoming a little bit more of a carryover into whatever your competitive arena is. The more likely that this exercise represents what you do in your sport, the more likely it's going to carry over. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get straight into it.